Hi everyone, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add someone or your SEO specialist or your SEO manager to your Google Search Console. So this is one of the basic stuff that you need to do in order for us specialists check what's going on with your Google Search Console and analyze it, what they are doing and everything. Okay, so the very first thing is you need to go to search.google.com, search console. Right after that, you need to click start now. Make sure you are logged in. If not, then watch the other video that I have entitled how to make Google Search Console account and setup. Alright, so once you're inside, guys,
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
this will appear here if you don't have any property like this one. So if not, then just add a property here, guys. Follow the setup or watch the other videos that I have on how to make Google Search Console. Okay, so, and also make sure that you are in the right property or business. Okay, just click that one, like for example this one. Okay, I click this, and then so I'm in the overview right now. Next, you can go to settings, and then here in the settings, just go to user and permissions.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
And then here you can see all the people that has an access to your Google Search Console. Again, make sure they are in the right business, okay? And then you can add user here. All right, you need to add the full email address here, okay? Guys, this is very important. This permission is very important. All right, so for example, the full permission, and this user, he's got a way to view all the reports, perform any functions such as the status or reporting. They can submit the URL for indexing and so on and so forth. So they can do a lot of things there. This restricted permission, the user only has a view access to some of the Google Search Console functionalities, but not all. Okay, but if they are the owner, just click owner. Okay, once it's added, if you want to remove that person, the same process. When you are in the overview section, just go to settings and then user and permission. Then make sure you are in the right person and then click this three dot right here. You can change the permission or you can also remove the user. All right, so that's it for now. It's very simple. By the way, guys, I have this premium SEO course that I'm doing right now. So it's live. You can avail it by going to searchenginemastery.com. And then I have few courses here, but this one is live right now. You can enroll this one, guys. I have a lot of inclusions here, like 100 plus videos, monthly training. I have a lot of SOPs and SEO. I have a lot of bonuses as well. And this is updated and one-time payment. You don't need to pay another one, another SEO training. All right, that's it for now. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.